Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to enable a zebra feature on your Sony A6500. This feature is fantastic for photographers looking to avoid too light or overexposed areas in their shots. Step 1. First, make sure your Sony A6500 is turned on. Then press the menu button located on the back of the camera to open the main menu. This button is easily recognizable and situated near the upper left corner of the camera. Step 2. Using the control wheel on the back of the camera, navigate to the Camera Settings 2 tab in the menu system. This tab is typically represented by a camera. Scroll through the options in this tab until you find the Zebra setting. Step 3. Once you find Zebra, select this option and set it to On, and then choose between several sensitivity options. This will make any overexposed highlights in your images blink, providing a clear visual indicator of areas that may need exposure adjustment. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've enabled the Highlight Blink feature on your Sony A6500, helping you to better manage exposure in your photos. Happy shooting!